In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to generate contours. So let's get started. In DaVinci, go to the Effects and search for Generators. Scroll all the way down to Fusion Generators, and there we have it, the contours. Just simply drag it and drop it to our timeline. Let's preview the default version. And now let's customize it a little bit. Expand the inspector, and over here in generators you can see we have a couple of different versions. So let's go through all of them, and all of them are fully customized. So let's see some of the settings. We can remove layers or add a lot of layers. We can change their position and etc. So let's scroll a little bit down to shape, movement rate. We can change how fast they will move or how slow. So let's put it here just to preview it. This is too fast. I think halfway, less than halfway will be good. Yes, this look better. Let's go and change some other versions as well. This will look nice. Movement rate. And that's how easy it is to create these contours, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.